Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming official image specs. Many forms require 600 x 600 pixels and a plain background, so you match them now. Position the subject 5 to 2 meters from a neutral backdrop and use soft front lighting to avoid harsh shadows. Set the camera to ISO 100-400 and an aperture around f/4 to keep the face sharp. Once framed, focus on the eyes and take multiple quick shots, so you have options for expression and alignment. Next, refine framing and settings. You want head and shoulders centered with 2 to 5 millimeters of headroom after cropping, so you can meet borders precisely. Make white balance adjustments and use spot metering on the face to preserve accurate skin tones. If glare appears on glasses, ask the subject to tilt their head slightly or use a polarizing filter. Alternatively, remove eyewear if permitted. Take several test shots and review them at 100% to confirm eyes are sharp and exposure. Finally, you select the best image, crop it to the required dimensions while aligning the eyes on the guideline, and export in the requested format and compression to meet file size limits. Make sure the file name follows the application naming convention. If the photo shows shadows, motion blur, or fails background/color rules, stop and retake the shot after fixing lighting or asking the subject to remain still. Remember, one quick retake now prevents rejection later, so correct problems before submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.